Okay, this is David again. So now you will see about residual income, right? How do you make $1 million, $2.1 million residual income after 5 years real estate? So Janet, you had about 5 years in real estate you can do?
Yes.
275 times 2. So what is the average agent sell a year?
The average agent sells about 12 houses a year.
Okay, I just make it half. That means they sell 6 houses a year. Okay, so you're a top agent there. I just give them a small number, 6 houses a year. Maybe 2 months they sell 1 house. You will sell good, but you were talking about average agent out there, caught you now. I just say 275 per house. Okay, average 275. But some up, some down, right?
Okay, then you got the number 8, so this is
Right. Time about 2%, 2.5%. Actually 3%. I just said 2.5. So 275 times 5 times 6 is how many? How much is that?
Wait a minute, hold on a second. Let's go back to the calculator.
275 times 2.5% times 6 houses. 41,000. 41. That's how much they make the gross income. Okay. And you know that with us, because the refer program, you get like 3.5% of this. Okay. 3.5% of the commission income they have. So times 3.5%. That's you make about per agent. You can make up to 2,800, right? I'm just talking about that's how much you make per agent. Okay, they're coming in, and let's make that's obtainable, right? Half cap agent,
Right.
less than half cap agent.
Okay.
Cap agent is make 80,000. This is like half cap agent on 1,400. But let's do this. If you can refer only 25 agents a year, and 25 in 5 years on your level 1.
Okay. Five a year.
Within 5 years, you have 25.
Okay.
And then each of them, they're just coming over. Instead, they do 5 a year, they should do 1 a year, so they do only 5 agents in 5 years. The people under you, like I refer you, right? But I can refer 25 in 5 years, but in 5 years you only do 5. Just say that average, you and other people, and then they do the second level, the third level they're going to do like 3, and just say they do your 2. We just reduce the number, and you do 1 and 1. So you have 6 level. We have 7 here, but you have to have 40 agents to break them down. You see?
Okay.
You see like that? So with this one right here, the way they're doing it, 25 to time about 41, time this right here, you multiply this by that, you will have about, your commission is about, if you want to find out, 36,093.75. And then you have this one right here, 5, you will have about 125. 5 times 5, 125. 125 times 41 is you have about 5, 1, 5, 6, 2, 5, and then this one you time about 4% to the second level. But basically what I'm trying to show you is the money you can make on each of this. So this is about 36,000. Okay, this one about 206,000. We have a video I can show you.
Yes, I think that will work.
26,386, right? And you have 464. If you want breakdown detail, I will show you. 309. I'm talking about $1,000. And you have over here is 773. So the total in here, you're not looking wrong, is 2,175,000 938. So exactly, I can sit down with you and show you word by word, detail by detail, how you get this number. So basically, what the company do is they pay you 3.5% over here, 4% over here, 2.5% here, 1.5% here, 1% here, and 2.5% over here. Okay? And they're gonna pay you about 5% of the bottom, but we haven't looked into the bottom yet.
Right.
And that's how you get it. If you can refer 5 agents a year, that means within 2 months you get about 1 agent every 2 months.
Okay.
1 agent every 2 months. But if
Okay.
you sell a lot of that house right there, 8 houses a month, something, you can have your agent easily.
Right.
You agree?
Right, I agree with that.
Okay, but that's it. You need me, call me, check me out, 901david.com, or call me 901-503-3947. Thank you, y'all.